Yes, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make money online in Nigeria without investment or capital. But before we begin, if you are new here and you are not subscribed to this channel, I want you all to kindly like this video, hit that subscribe button, and tap on that bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So now, let's head on to the Play Store app. Now, the app we are going to be basing on today is the PiggyVest app. Now, don't exit this video because I know once most of you hear PiggyVest, you think it's investment, but no, I'll show you how I made cool money there without dropping one dime. Now, you enter your Play Store app, then you search for PiggyVest. Yeah, that's PiggyVest. Then you open. Yeah, this is my account right here. You can see I have 18,204 naira, and I didn't deposit, I didn't drop anything to get this money. Now, I'll tell you all later. I'll tell you all that later, but for now, let me give you all a quick tour of the app. Yeah, so you can see this is my total savings, 18,204 naira. Total investment, 0. I don't invest, I just use, to get money. Flex dollar, 0. Then flex naira, I have 1 0. So yeah, let me give you all a quick tour before we get into the video. So yeah, you can see if you want to save with the app, you can click on set up automatic savings. Then it will bring you here, set up piggy bank. Your piggy bank is your core savings wallet on PiggyVest. You can automatically save into this wallet daily, weekly, monthly, or manually. There are 4 free withdrawals days to ensure discipline on your savings. Let's help you get started. This is for those who wants to save, those people that spends money recklessly, or if you just want to save, you don't want to touch your money, you can see there. They won't even allow you, to withdraw it anytime. They would make sure you save that money. So you can see, if you're interested in that, you can just set up auto save. So let's move on. So yeah, let's move on. You can see save log 34,000 naira for 61 to 90 days. Well, that's not right. Then yeah, this is the main thing we are here for today. Redeem your 1,000 naira bonus. Yeah, just gonna wait for that to load. Yeah, it has loaded, so you can see. I'll still get into this later after I give you all the tour of the app. You can see redeem your 1,000 naira safe log bonus. You can redeem your bonus when you complete the steps before. This is to ensure you're a valid user. Now, step 1, transfer 100 naira to your Flex wallet. Use your Flex account number to transfer 100 naira and above to your Flex wallet. Now, I know if you're watching this video, I'm not, but you would have 100 naira for sure. Come back to that later, yo. So you can see, get piggy bank savings, see your recent activities, blah blah blah. Now, let's move on. Let me show you the main deal. Now, you click on savings. You can see my savings total is 18,204 naira. In piggy bank, I have 100 naira. Flex naira, 1,104.67 naira. Safe log, 17,000 naira. Target, 0 naira. Flex dollar, $0. Then pocket app, nothing is there. So let me just get into the video right now. So you would click on safe log. You can see all the money I got from just referring people. Now, the basis of this, if you want to get free money from this app, you have to refer people. You can see anybody I referred got I got 1,000 naira for referring all of them. You can see 1,000 naira. I got 1,000 naira. But most of the people here have not actually verified their account. So I'll click on paid. You can see those that verified their accounts actually got 2,000 naira. You can see from this person and this person 1,000 naira. So I'll talk about how you can get your referral link later. Let's move on. So let me click on the next option in the app. That's the invest. So yeah, this is for those that want to actually invest with the app, which we are not going to talk about today. But I'm doing a tour of the app, so I actually have to show you all features of the app. So you can invest with Investify. Join other PiggyVest users to co-invest in well-vetted and amazing investment opportunities starting for as little as 5,000 naira. Now, let's see the investment and explore. Let me click on real estate. Let's say I want to invest in real estate. I'll just click real estate investment. This is the only verified real estate project available right here on the app. 5,000 naira per share, and it's sold out. So let's say I want to invest in agriculture. I'm just going to like come here, load. You can see cashew nuts got 20% returns in 9 months. Imagine you dropped good money on that. You would have, yeah. See, cassava farm investment got 36% returns in 18 months. Investment is actually good. You can see sweet potato farm 20% returns, cattle header 16% return. Yeah, but we are not here for that today, so I'm just showing you all a quick tour of the app. So I'm assured, let's say I want to start investing in verified opportunities. I'm just going to click on invest now. Oh, it brought me back there. So the next option on the app is apps. These are apps that they're in partnership with. I can't wait for that to load. This we are not here for that today. So I'm going to click on my account so you can see my account. You can enable fingerprint or face ID if you don't want anyone entering your piggyvest account anyhow, because this is a money app. You can just let people you don't know to. For me, I basically trust most people around me, so I didn't enable it. No security, man. So show dashboard account balances. If you are a secret person and you don't want anybody to know how much you are having, you can just put that off. So your account balances will now be hidden from your dashboard. Refresh. So let me go to my dashboard, home. So you can see, you can see start in savings, start total investment, start. You can see it's basically blurred. No one will know how much I'm having my piggyvest, but I'm going to go put that on back. So yeah, let's wait for that to refresh again. So it has refreshed. So this one, enable dark mode. I kind of like light mode. I don't like dark mode at all. Let me just enable it. So there, I don't fancy dark mode. I don't fancy dark mode now. So yeah, just going to off it. Then yeah, let's move on. So you can see my flex account number by access. Yeah, if you want to send money to my flex account number, that's it right there. Piggy points. I have no piggy points. Create a piggy link ID. I'll create that later. Referral earnings 19,000 naira in total. So yeah, now let's get into the main deal of the video. If you actually want to make money through this app, you can see this refer and earn 1,000 naira. Anyone you refer, you get 1,000 naira. So you just go and click it. You can see my referral earnings 19,000 naira, pending earnings 17,000 naira, paid earnings 2,000 naira. If you want to refer anyone, this is your referral link right there. You can just copy it. See, copy it. It's done. See all my referral bonus. See, I'll still message a lot of them to verify their account. See. But I've earned 2,000 naira for now. Yeah, let me explain. Let's say I want to cash out that money. If I want to cash out that money, you just go to click on savings. You go to your flex naira. I have 1,000 naira there. So you can see my flex account, interest. You can see everything. So let's say I want to withdraw. You scroll down. So you can see withdraw. This withdraw. You click on withdraw. I think the minimum to withdraw is 2,000. I can either withdraw to Pocket app or to bank. So I'm going to click withdraw to bank. So yeah, you can see withdraw to bank. Amount to withdraw for now minimum is 2,000 naira. I told you. So if you actually want to cash out, you just have to get the minimum balance of 2,000 naira. Now for referrals to be valid, once they register with your referral link, I've copied my referral link when I went here to accounts and I clicked on refer and then 2,000. You just click on copy. So once I've copied my referral link, all your referrals has to do is that they have to use the link to download the app. Then they have to fund. I think they have to fund their flex. They have to fund their flex naira. I'm coming. They have to fund this flex naira with 100 naira. You can see that's why I have 1.104 naira. I funded with 100 naira when I just newly joined and got 1k. So when they newly join, you would get 1k and they'd also get 1k. You can continue, even if you can just continue referring people like that. You can tell them you give them the 100 naira because for sure you will get 900 naira gain. So yeah, that would be all for now. The link to download this app will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video.